All right, everyone, this is my natural gas detector. It measures a bunch of other stuff as well, but we're looking for natural gas today. What we're looking for is for that to happen. So let's go in this house where I already know we have a leak and see what happens. All right, we're starting to walk into the home. We're already starting to smell it. And you know, this is picking it up, but right here, I can't smell the gas that much. It just smells a little bit. But as we get closer to the source, the lights go up and get brighter and the whine gets louder. You hear it revving up. We're looking, ooh. And actually our leak is coming from right about here in the middle of the pipe. As I move down closer to the edge, now I can smell it. I would think it's coming from here where the fitting is, but actually every time I've tested it, it's been in the middle of the pipe. So we better get this fixed ASAP. A natural gas leak, you'll notice not only by the smell, but when you start to get sleepy for no reason and you get headaches a lot. So make sure you get this taken care of because it could make your house explode and it could actually kill you. So be safe out there.